In order to make a Google form multiple choice with answers, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Forms, then create a new form just like so. Now, in order to turn this into a quiz with grades, go to the top menu and select on settings just like so. Then you guys will see this option that says make this a quiz just like so. Then over here, you guys can determine whether to release grades immediately after each submission or later on after manual review. This is 100% up to you. You guys can determine things like missed questions, correct answers, and points values as well. You can also set a default question point value. And basically what that means is that if someone doesn't answer a question or just answers it wrong, then it is going to award them the default point value right over here. So by default, it is set to 0. Anyways, in order to create your questions, go to the top menu and select on questions just like so. Go ahead and give your quiz a name. So I'm just going to be calling this YouTube quiz, just like so. You can go ahead and give your quiz a description if you want, but now let's go ahead and get started with questions. So up here, you can go ahead and enter in your quiz question. Okay, and you guys can set this to multiple choice or paragraph or short answer. It really is up to you, or even checkboxes as well. So there is a lot of great options over here. You guys can also add images as well if you want to add an image to your question. But anyways, go ahead and create your options right over here. Okay, so I just put some options over here. You can add more options if you want, but in order to add your answer key, go ahead and select on answer key right over here, then select on the correct answer. All right, and while you're here, make sure to set the point value as well. Don't forget the point value. So this is the amount of points the person is going to get if they answer the question correctly. So if they answer the question correctly, they will get 1 point just like so. And then from there, you can go ahead and just repeat this process over and over again by just pressing on add question over here, and you can make more questions, and then you should be good to go. Once you're done with that, go ahead and press on publish just like so. Then you guys can determine whether anyone with the link can access this form, or you guys can go ahead and change these settings. It really is up to you. But then once you're ready, go ahead and press on publish just like so. Then you can go ahead and copy the link and then just enter it into any web browser. So for example, here is a quiz. Let's go ahead and select on Mr. Beast right over here. Then you guys will be able to see the test score. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.